Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've been doing this a long time. I worked at IRS for 10 years. Like I said, was a teaching instructor. I've worked thousands of cases. I try to give you a lot of public service information. Today, I want to talk to you about which tax software is the best for you. And let me just tell you when you need software, when you don't use software, and what's best for you. First of all, I have no skin in the game whatsoever. I'm just trying to help you after getting all this information fed to me from many different sources. The one that's best for you actually is the one that's more user friendly. So what I suggest you do is to contact other people that you know and find out what software that they enjoyed the best that's more user friendly. Most of the softwares are the same. They copy each other and they know what deductions to take, what deductions not to take. So the software engineers all get the same basic information and they program everything pretty much together. They know what the other person's doing. Most people who are on W-2 shouldn't have a problem in doing their tax return. Where the rubber meets the road is if you're a Schedule C taxpayer, and if you're an LLC, a corporation, something like that, that's when you need to talk to a professional. These commercials can go ahead and say, we'll ask this question of this person and ask that question of that person. What you need to know as a professional is going to look at the last 3 years, sit down and find out where you need to go and what you need to be doing and looking at the tax planning that's necessary. Those softwares do not do the job they need to do. So what I want to tell you that is, if in fact you are a W-2 wage earner, I would use those softwares all you can. Every day there's nothing wrong with using them. But when you step up and you become a sole proprietorship and LLC, corporation, partnership, anything like that, you really do need at that point to go to a professional person. That professional person is really worth the money because long term they're going to save you that money. That software person or that engineer who designed just the W-2 and some of the basic stuff is never going to be able to tell you what you need long term because they're not going to have a personal relationship and want to know where you're going next. Plus, usually the professional CPA or someone at that level will be able to guide you into future steps, what you need to do into deductions. You always want to have a doctor you know. You always want to know a plumber you know, an AC, and you always want to have a CPA that you know moving forward. That's all I got for you. Thank you very much for listening.